Hello everyone. So this is our 2024 Buick Envista. This is right before we drive it off the lot. Wife drives it home about half an hour and she tells me she hears something rattling in the back. I don't look at it that day. I check it out the next day and here's what I find. Okay, honey. This is what's making noise in the back. Remember that tow hook? And it actually goes right in here. See that hole? It goes right under the jack. And I know they said that it doesn't, but I am going to put this, your front tow hook, right in here. So we'll see that in just 1 minute. All right, it fit perfectly. It's right in here. See, the tow hook is right there, under the jack where it belongs. Now you won't have it here making noise. Well, I did have a suspicion because the day before we looked at a Chevy Trax. The sales associate showed us the trunk and I saw the tow hook and said, "Why is it sitting there?" He said, "Oh, because they don't have a spot for it. So we tell people to just put it in their glove compartment because it won't make noise there." This was crazy to me and I knew it had to go under the spare tire inside the styrofoam that holds the car jack. So when we got home, of course, I checked it in the car. And if you have a Chevy Trax or a Buick Envista, please do not put the tow hook in your glove compartment and do not leave it in the back where they set it. It's going to make too much noise. There's a proper place for it. You lift the spare tire out, take out the car jack, and place it in its location where it belongs. I hope this helps you out, especially anyone who does have it in the glove compartment. Thanks for watching.